All right, today we're trying a new recipe. This one is called cauliflower, broccoli, and ham au gratin. Or as we say here in the South, au gratin. Whatever it is, it's going to be delicious. Come on, I'll show you how we made it. Not a lot to this recipe. I've got a 1/4 cup of minced up onions. I've got a salt and pepper to taste. I'm using about 1/4 teaspoon of each. And I've also got 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder in there as well. I've got I got 4 ounces, which is a half of a package of cream cheese. I've got a cup of white cheddar. You can use regular cheddar. This is just what I had. I've got a pound of ham, and I've cut it up. After the holidays, if you've got like a ham left over, this would be a great use for it. And this one, just a little blue collar tip, is canned ham, okay? So that's what I had, that's what I'm going with. You can even use Spam if you want to, a can or two of Spam in it. Whatever ham you prefer, if you've got some, put it in there. And then we've got a bag of cauliflower florets and broccoli florets. These are steamable bags, and sometimes they come in 12 ounces. Food Line has theirs for 10 ounces or almost 11 ounces. So the first step I'm going to do is go cook these up according to the instructions, which is about 6 minutes in my microwave. And we'll come back and mix all this up and make a delicious casserole. Oh yeah, about forgot, it also gets 3/4 cup of sour cream. Now you can substitute Greek yogurt for sour cream and actually bring the carbs down just a little bit. I have sour cream on hand today, so that's what I'm using. Okay, I have steamed up my cauli and my broccoli. And just a little tip, you want to try to get as much of the moisture out as you can. I used some cheesecloth and squeezed it. Kind of got it into this form here. And if you want to use fresh, by all means use fresh. You can weigh it out about the same, 10, 12 ounces of each one. I'm all about simple and easy, and throw it in the microwave and be done with it in just a little bit. But all right, so we have that. All we have to do now is add all this stuff together and put it in the casserole dish. And I'm going to add my ham. And yeah, I'm cheating a little bit on the ham because it is canned ham. But if you have, like I said, ham left over from a dinner or something like that, that'd be better, I'm sure. Or smoked the ham. Hey, that's an idea. But anyway, I'm going to put my sour cream, which I just about forgot. That is important. We've got our softened cream cheese here. Throw that in. Our delicious onions, yes. Put that in there. And our seasoning. And I'm going to put probably just about half of this in. Put it all in the bowl and mix it up. And while I'm doing this, let me remind you to subscribe and like to the channel. And I'm always putting together simple, easy things for keto, low carb, and things like that. But I'm looking forward to this. Anything I can mix up together in my big old Rubbermaid bowl and throw in a casserole dish, I'm happy about it. And also, check out the Facebook page. I know I don't talk about it a whole lot, but it's kind of a behind-the-scenes look at my channel, my life, and things that's going on. It's kind of a personal blog for me, but there's some things that I do that I don't talk about on YouTube. So I invite you to that as well. And there's a link to that in the description. So, all right, that looks nice right there. It's getting blended up. Let's put it in the casserole dish and pop it in the oven. Okay, that's all blended up nice. And man, that already looks good. And all this is pretty much pre-cooked, all of it now. So all we're going to do is put it in this casserole dish. You know, the old school casserole dish. Kind Mama used to take to the homecomings and things like that. Or your favorite dish. But I'm going to dump this in there nice and thick. Oh man, look at that. Those onions and everything in there just smell so good. I'm going to pack it in there. This is pretty thick, and it's in there. And now all I'm going to do is top it with some cheddar and go throw it in the oven that's been preheating at 350 degrees. And I'm going to put it in there for about 30-35 minutes. And you want it to be golden brown on top. All right, it's ready to go in the oven. I had a little parm, so I sprinkled that on there too. I had just a little bit of fresh grated parm in there, and I just threw it on top. That's optional, but hey, make it your own. Let's get in the oven. So here it is, straight out of the oven. I know this is called an au gratin whatever recipe, but to me it just looks like a good casserole. And that ham and everything in there is looking good. So I'm going to break this down and taste it, see how it goes. Oh yeah, my favorite time. You know it is. You can see in the bowl, got me a scoop out, still steaming hot. Man, look behind me, you can see this nasty old weather. So this is going to hit the spot, I'm sure. Smells so good, those onions and everything in here. Let's give it a taste. Man. Man, that is so good. And something I didn't account for was the salt that's already in the ham. So you might want to cut back on the salt just a little bit. I don't mind salt. I like my food a little salty sometimes. But hey, this here, this is going in the rotation, and I can share it with a couple people and have a good time. Hey, until next time, try you some au gratin or au gratin. Hey, may the Lord bless you. Oh. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.